Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You want to start now? Open the Music app and sign in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, make sure Sync Library is enabled if you use Apple Music. This keeps your songs across devices. If you aren't a subscriber yet, choose Try or Subscribe and follow on-screen prompts. Next, confirm Mac OS updates and select your audio output in System Settings Sound so you hear playback. Now you're ready to import or browse the catalog and take the next step. Now focus on building your library. Import local files via File Import or drag folders into Music. This adds them to your library and uploads to iCloud if Sync Library is on. Create a playlist with plus new playlist, then drag songs, reorder with click and drag, and give it a clear name. You search for quick finds or explore for you and browse for curated suggestions. Once done, tap the three-dot menu to add songs to a playlist or start a radio station for continuous play. Finish by playing and managing offline access. Click the cloud icon next to a song or album to download for offline listening and check library downloaded for storage. Use the AirPlay icon in the playback bar to stream to speakers or use Bluetooth in system settings for devices. Learn basic shortcuts: space to play/pause, CMD plus right arrow to skip. If playback or sync fails, sign out of Apple ID and back in, restart Music, and make sure Sync Library is toggled. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.